Gadgets help us with various tasks in our everyday lives, but some of them can be dangerous and were consequently banned by Amazon. However, you can still buy some of these gadgets. Let's see some of these forbidden gadgets you can still buy on Amazon. Number 1. RFID-NFC Skimmer. Credit card scammers move fast. On a camera-recorded burglary in a mall, 2 customers were caught swindling the attendant with NFC skimmer. One distracted the storekeeper while the other planted the skimmer on a payment terminal to clone credit cards. Various thieves are interested in critical cards used in factories and huge organizations. Their data may be obtained with this gadget from up to 3.3 feet away, depending on the card. There were many choices for data capture. Your imagination is the limit. According to one review, it's reasonably priced, over $100. Number 2. Flamethrower. These strong flame, heavy-duty propane torches can fire flames up to 20 inches long with a heat output of up to 700,000 BTU and a maximum temperature of 3,400 degrees Fahrenheit. Weeding, snow melting, and quickly fires can all be done easily. The POL valve at the end of the house can be directly connected to all US standard 5 to 100 pound propane tanks without adapters. Hardened propane hoses don't have to worry about swelling or breaking. The heavy-duty propane torch weed has a burner, 700,000 BTU. Connect 5 to 100 pounds propane tank and a self-igniting flamethrower. You can buy it for $49.98. Number 3. Spy Pen. A small spy camera pen is another device you wouldn't like to miss in your breast pocket, especially for high school pranks, which must be why Amazon flagged it banned in the first place. So, what is it? A spy pen looks almost like an ordinary pen. Still, it's ideal with a hidden digital camera concealed inside. This feature allows the user to take a covert video often. The pen can be placed in a shirt pocket or held in hand, and no one could even know you were spying on them. Many people use them for tasks where video proof can be helpful, such as making a delivery or secret shopping. Whether you use the hidden camera pen to save class notes, meeting content, or as evidence in negotiations or litigation, it will do you a lot. While maintaining the 1080p HD camera effect, the hidden camera pen power supply gives you up to 70 minutes of continuous work. You can use a charging cable to connect directly to your computer or use a card reader to connect to your computer. The Spy Pen camera goes for $39.99. Number 4. Flipper Zero. This device is a portable multi-tool for pen testers and hardware geeks in a toy-like body. The main idea behind Flipper Zero is to combine all the research and penetration hardware tools that you would need on the go in a single case. Out of the box, Flipper is filled with features and skills, but also it's open source and customizable, so you can extend its functionality in whatever way you like, along with the community. Flipper Zero can emulate remotes for popular garage doors and barriers out of the box. You can keep hundreds of remotes in Flipper's memory and create a blank remote for a new wireless gate. Please select the right system brand in the Flipper menu. Register a new key in your garage/barrier receiver and give it a unique name for easy navigation between your remotes. The device is, however, still in the pipes and has hundreds of hackers already making donations to bring it to life. Number 5. Night Vision Telescope. The name tells the whole story. Yes, you're right. What more can one ask for than having clear vision in the dark? A night vision device, also known as night optical or observation device and night vision goggles, is an optoelectrical device that allows images to be produced in levels of light approaching total darkness. It looks like a cool gadget, but there must be something unusual about this, which is why it got banned. Thanks to the powerful 850 nm infrared illuminator, you can hunt, monitor wildlife, or protect your farm during a pitch-dark night. No external light needed. Don't only view all the night secrets on the 4-inch TFT screen, but also quickly save the recordings, as a lifetime of memories on the 32GB memory card included. It goes for $131.49. Number 4. Remote Control License Plate Number. Nothing is more illegal than this new gadget. You can decorate your car, truck, Jeep, or more with this remote control license plate hider. This license plate is made of stainless steel, which makes it durable and uneasy to rust or breaks your remote control. It's a cool racing-style modification device with a 180-degree angle adjustable license plate mounting bracket. The device is made of a metal bracket with an ABS plastic frame in carbon fiber that looks wrapped, flexible, and durable that can be installed either in front or rear. It is universal for most Japanese cars, a perfect DIY modification. It goes for $14.90. Number 7. Voice Changer. If you want to fool someone with your voice, this gadget is the best gadget for you. But unfortunately, you cannot find it on Amazon. This gadget can help you change your voice into an opposite gender, and believe me, no one has ever been caught using this device on cell phones. So what would you do if you had one of these? You can freely choose 5 preset reverberation modes, no cycle through, just one key to start: KTV, Concert, Studio, MC. There are 20 atmosphere special effects for you, such as laughter, kissing, and debut with just one key. With its voice modification function, you can change multiple role voices to increase the fun, such as children's voices and monsters' voices, which can drive the atmosphere. The price starts from $78.99. Number 8. WiPhone. What you see on your screen looks like a good old phone with buttons, an attempt at nostalgia marketing. No, this is another gadget for lovers of hacking independence and anonymity. This phone is compact and lightweight. The phone weighs only 3 ounces. However, inside it hides some exciting features. First, you can make calls without a SIM card. Just get and SIP accounts on any suitable platform. Connect to a Wi-Fi network and talk as much as you want. Second, the phone uses a very versatile daughter board. You can expand into a music studio or an RC car. The WiPhone has enough battery life for up to 8 hours of talk time, and the buttons are programmable. WiPhone is a unique, minimal phone. The design enables hackers by making it easy to extend and modify the electronics and software. It uses Wi-Fi to make HD voice calls for free. This feature means that there's no required service contract, and it's yours for life. The price starts from $90. Number 9. Electronic Lockpick. Have you lost your keys and need to open the door in a hurry, but the lock is jammed and won't open? With patience, some practice, and a tool like this, you can easily solve this problem. The manufacturer assures us that you're looking at the most successful electric lockpick. The model has a 2,900 mAh battery for 2 hours of continuous operation. The lockpick weighs about 12.3 ounces and fits easily in your pocket. The additional needles help you practice because the manufacturer claims this is a professional tool whose potential is revealed through training. We don't consider the opening of Chinese locks made of plastic real lockpicking. They're asking for the price of $270. Number 10. Swiss Army Knife. Various Swiss Army knife tools come from a high-quality steel with precisely tuned features that are essential for the particular application. The steel is tempered, annealed, and polished to achieve the necessary hardness and provide optimum resistance to corrosion. With its unique build, Swiss Army knives require easy but particular care. Use the recommendations below to keep your knife at its peak functionality. The polished stainless steel goes for $25. Number 11. Hidden Camera Tie Clip. Need an even more compact option? Check out this camera hidden in a tie clip. The video resolution is 640 by 4 racy pixels, and the viewing angle is about 60 degrees. Durability is also a priority. That's why the gadget works in temperatures ranging from 140 to -4 degrees Fahrenheit and 90 degrees humidity. The neutral design is suitable for both men and women. The manufacturer suggests using the device in wireless mode or combining it with portable dash cams. There are several series available on their website. The price is higher than that of the spyglasses, $275. Number 12. Raspberry Pi Chip. Last but not least, we have a compact computer that some websites label as the Raspberry Pi Killer. In 2019, Raspberry Pi sales hovered around 30 million units, and it's still unclear whether the Pocket Chip will reach that figure. For about $50 to $60, the manufacturers offer 512 megabytes of RAM, 4 gigabytes of storage, a 1 gigahertz processor, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, a USB port, and an AV output that works on TVs. The device runs on Linux and is fully portable. A battery, a keyboard, and a screen are part of the set. The chip goes for $50, however you can buy the boards separately for $9 and modify them to suit your needs. If you liked any of these gadgets, check out the product links descriptions and make sure you like this video. Thanks for watching.